Assalamualaikum students. Today we are going to start our next lecture. Today we study about multiplication of matrix with a scalar number, with a real number by multiplying a vector with a real number. What we can get? If we have a matrix A and a real number which is scalar k, we can multiply them if we have a matrix A and a real number k, scalar real number k, we can multiply k with A by multiplying k with each entry of matrix A. Suppose we have a matrix A 1 7 3 8 3 4 2 1 6. It is a matrix of order 3 by 3. It has order 3 by 3 as it has 3 rows and 3 columns. We have another scalar number k is equal to 5. How we can multiply k with matrix A? By multiplying both of them. It is called KA. K is a scalar real number and A is a matrix. So K, which is equal to 5, can be multiplied by a matrix 1 7 3 8 3 4 and 2 1 6. How we can multiply 5 with them? By multiplying 5 with each entry of matrix A. Multiplying k with each entry of matrix A. We can multiply them. Multiplying 5 initially with 1, then multiplying 5 with 7, multiplying 5 with 3. Next, multiplying 5 with 8, 5 with 3, 5 with 4. Next, 5, multiply 5 with 2, multiply 5 with 1, and multiply 5 with 6. By multiplying them, we can get their answer. How? 5 ones are 5, 5 7 times 35, 5 3 times 15, 5 8 times 40, 5 3 times 15, 5 4 times 20, 5 2 times 10, 5 1 times 5, and 5 6 and 30. This is our answer, which is equal to Ka, multiplying of a real number with a matrix A. Real number K, which is equal to 5, and a matrix A. We can multiply both of them and we can get their answer.